After the... Yan. Yes, enlist. Okay. Okay, enlist your name here in our EUI page or site. And then after that, you can wait for the update sa email ninyo. Mag-i-email naman sila sa inyo. Thank you very much, Coding. Ayan. So, ayan po ang ating EUI. EUI is not a free training. It's a payable. So, yes. Thank you very much, everyone. Teka nga, tingnan ko nga uli yung ating ano. Nag-record ka ako uli kasi. Tingnan natin. Cody, thank you very much for coming here. How are you? I'm fine. Good morning to you too. I'm fine. Okay, I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you very much for your emoji. Coding, I will be going to your channel. And then I will. What's going on? No, I'm just promoting the EUI and my digital items. Yes, digital items. My digital items are all digitally. When you purchase my digital items here in YouTube channel, my shop here in store here in YouTube channel. Automatically your purchase items or item or product, automatically you will receive it. Yes, but to easy download and easy print, to print your purchase items, you should have a free account in Canva. And then our EUI. Here's the, okay, here I will pin this one. Nightbot always drop the link of EUI and my website. Okay, you can, wait. Alright, you can check the Nightbot. Our Nightbot is always, thank you very much for your heart coding. And then EUI is a payable training on how to create, how to learn how to email, having to be a email marketing, how to be email marketing or copywriting, so on and so forth. These are the payable training, not free, because kung free ito, if it is free, not at all learnings will be received by the students, of course. That's the real talk. But it is a payable. All you have to do is to pay and then enlist your how much. As of now, I don't have any idea on how to enroll in our EUI training. Just enlist your name. Alright, just enlist your name. Okay, I will. Alright, wait a minute. Okay, I will show it to you. Okay, I will show it to you. Wait a minute. I'm going to. Alright. Okay, click this one. Click the link. Wait lang. Go to the Nightbot and then click the link of Nightbot. Ayan, the link, alright. Okay, let us wait. Alright, this one. You can see this one. Email Underground Intensive, your fastest path to a 6-figure writing income online is opening soon. Okay, again. Alright. Para ano tayo. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, I will show you. Alright, click this one. Yan, click nyo lang po yan. Itong link mismo.